Hey everybody, welcome back to Experience Garage. I'm Sean, and this video I started last year. Then I ran into some issues with some parts, so it kind of got pushed off to the side while I worked on that bed for a while. I'm trying to get back to it now, and I'll come to you at the end of this video to tell you where we're at. Hey guys, I thought I'd show you what got delivered a while ago. That's my DJM I-beam lowering kit. So let's go ahead and let me get a knife and I'll open it up and take a look at it. See. This is an early Christmas. Sure. Okay. All right. Man. For some reason, I was not expecting it to come already painted. It looks really beefy. Looks really good. I think this will do. So I get a closer look. Glad it already has the bushings and everything in it. Let's see what's in this box. This appears to be the tie rod extension. It comes with a wrench and everything. It's kind of like the beams. They're pretty substantial. So we looking forward to getting putting all this together. Okay guys, I'm gonna get all these steering and suspension parts all cleaned up. The radius arm, the spindle, and everything. So it looks good with the new DJM I-beams I got. So let me go ahead and get these cleaned up and I'll be right back. Okay guys, this is the next piece we're going to get and clean up. It's the radius arm. Now I haven't been doing this all in one day. I've been doing it a little bit every day after work, so it don't get too overwhelming, and try to get one piece cleaned up, or at least all the dirt and the old paint and stuff off of it. And at the end we'll get and clean it up one more time before we throw paint on it. Okay, I think the first thing I'm going to do is get this nut off here, so I can get this bracket off. I need to clean up these threads first. All right, put a little bit of a PB Blaster on it. Yeah, of course it doesn't want to work today. There it goes. And, this is an 1 1/8" socket. I tried doing this with an impact on the other one, and it wouldn't break it free. All right, got the bracket all off. Oh, it's really worn bushing. Okay guys, I got most of that suspension parts cleaned up. I think what I'm gonna do next is took a mixture of Purple Power and Dawn detergent. I'm gonna see if I can clean these parts off better. I don't know how well that'll work, but I'm gonna give it a try. That's basically all I got to clean it with. So let me go ahead and get these cleaned up and see how it comes out. Okay, like I said, letting it soak in this mixture of Purple Power and Dawn detergent. I done went around it once with that little stainless steel Brillo pad, trying to get all the loose stuff off. You can see all the dirt on the soap bubbles and stuff from doing it. So hopefully this will clean it up real good and make it one step closer to getting it painted. Okay guys, what I'm fixing to do is get these parts ready to paint. And as you can see, I got new tie rods and drag link for the truck. I mean, I got looking at the price of them. I got all three pieces for about $100 on Amazon. I got looking at the other drag link and tie rods. They had a little play in them. They could have been used, but for that price, I mean, brand new. You won't have to worry about them for a long time. So I'm gonna go ahead and put some of those on there too. So I gotta get them ready to paint and everything, get all the grease and everything off of them. You think Moogs would come paint it, but they just come bare metal. So I'll have to get some rust protection on them. All right, got everything all cleaned up. Just threw some cardboard and stuff on the ground to kind of keep some of the paint off the floor. But I'm just gonna get in a hurry up and get this sprayed because we got cold weather moving in. It's gonna be getting down, I guess, as low as in the 30s this week. So I want to go ahead and get everything painted while it's still in the 70s today. And hopefully then they'll be dried and ready to go when we start installing this DJM suspension kit and everything. Alright, I got all the pieces in primer. So I'm gonna let it dry for about an hour. And I'm gonna start top coating. I'm gonna do like I did last time, using the tractor paint with a hardener in it. So I'll get and cut you back on when I'm ready to spray. Okay guys, this is the paint I'm gonna use. It's that Van Sickle Satin Black. I couldn't get the Rust-Oleum this time at Lowe's. They had like gloss and semi-gloss, stuff like that, but I wanted satin. So only place that was open yesterday was Atwood's here in Oklahoma, which is kind of like a Tractor Supply. And they had the satin black. It's like $50 for a gallon of it. I already had the hardener and the reducer from painting the wheels. And I'm gonna use that same formula that I did last time, the 811 So let me go ahead and get that mixed up, and I'll cut you back on when I'm ready to spray. Alright guys, there's the parts all painted up, ready to be installed. That box right there is the new radius arm bushings. And if you notice this new shiny part right here in that box, I had to order new spindles. Because if you look over here at mine, after I got them cleaned up, I did not notice when I was cleaning them that this wear right here, you can actually feel it. It's like that on both of them. And this one actually started eating to the shoulder quite a bit. But this kit comes with a new rotor, new caliper, pads, has the bushings already installed for the kingpins. That box right there is the kingpins, and the new brake hoses, which I was going to order most of this stuff, and it's pretty pricey. You can't just go to your parts store, it looks like, and order new spindles. I don't know how many companies out there make reproduction spindles, but CPP is the only one I was really seeing that popped out. So I got them off of Summit, and I think they're around $800 for the set. So they're not cheap at all, but like I said in the past, I don't like to play around with steering or brakes. So what I want to do right now though is give y'all an update on the bed project. All right guys, I'm trying to stay in the shop as much as possible because it's kind of windy, but yesterday I got welded in that brace right there. I need to do a little bit more grinding on the spot welds, but it's pretty much done. I need to remove the inner wheel tubs so I can be able to clean that up underneath there before I put in the other ones, and do a lot of wire wheeling and sanding or whatever I need to do to get it ready to paint. And of course, I said I'll come back to this part of the project once I'm ready to start working on the bed sides. All right guys, that's all for this episode. I thought I'd kind of get you caught up where I'm at on the suspension. It's taken me some time to get everything cleaned up, painted, parts ordered, parts sent back, parts ordered again. I still need to order some more parts. I forgot the shocks. I don't know which ones I'm going to use yet, if it's going to be the DJM ones or something else. Also, I seem to think that these things don't use steering boxes, I guess, because I didn't get that cleaned up when I was doing everything else. And I still got that broken bolt in it from removing it last year. So I need to do that. And I'm sure I'm forgetting all kinds of other things. But thank you so much for tuning in this week. If you could hit that like, share, subscribe, I really appreciate that. And I'll see you on the next episode. Thanks for watching.